This is section 3.2, part 1. So at the end of chapter 4, we're going to do a little piece of chapter 3. And most of chapter 3 is repeated in other places in the course. So for the most part, I've cut it out. But this portion is important because you need this information again for math in grade 11. So just some definitions to start with. A relation is a set of ordered pairs, x and y. So anytime we've been looking at points, that's a relation. And an ordered pair are two numbers written in a certain order that can be used to show a position on a graph. The x value is horizontal and is first, and the y value is vertical and is second. So we've been working with ordered pairs a lot so far. So now we're going to look at a function. And a function is an important definition that you'll need to know again in grade 11. So for a function, for every value of the domain, so every x value, there is one and only one value of the range, so y value. Meaning each element in the domain corresponds to exactly one element in the range. So what this means practically is that there are no repeats in your x values. So no identical x values. So here you're going to focus in, where's my highlighter? You're going to focus in on the x values and you're going to see if you have any repeats. So -1, 2, 4, no repeats, so this is a function. Look at the next one. We have -3, 0, and 2. No repeat, so this is a function. And the last one we have 1, 2, and 1. So here we do have a repeat. So this is not a function. Okay. So that's if you're given ordered pairs. You can also do the same thing, figure out if something is a function, if you're given a graph. So when we're given a graph, we can use a test to determine whether a graph is a function or not, and we call this the vertical line test. A graph represents a function when no 2 points on the graph lie on the same vertical line. So what we do is we take a ruler and we run it vertically along the graph, and we should only ever touch the graph once. So here we're going to pretend that we draw a bunch of lines. So here touches only one time. Okay, so you can draw a bunch of vertical lines and you only ever want to see it touch that line once. So this passes the vertical line test, VLT, vertical line test. So pass, so this is a function. Here we go again. Okay, hits one time, hits one time, hits one time. So this passes again, the vertical line test. So this is a function. Okay. Uh-oh. This is not going to pass. Notice how it hits it 2 times. So this fails the vertical line test. So this is not a function. Okay, not a function. So now you can go to page 123 and 124, and you can do number 3, which is similar to this, and number 6, which is similar to this, and figure out if theirs are functions. And then when you finish that, come back and we'll do part 2.